all of us grew up in an age when technology emerged, and the people who designed and created and launched the software and built the hardware, they were like technical geniuses in the back. And we were just happy to see, oh my goodness, look what technology can do. But it left some interesting legacies. So for example, if you go way back in time where there were mainframe computers and then dumb terminals. And you know who would sit at the dumb terminal was the user. And so you just think about where that term username, who wants to be thought of as a user? I mean, that's an odd one, right? But then it gets even more refined, like when you think about database and when you're doing a search. Now, the reality is people who are searching, they don't really want to search. They want to find. But how come it's not called find? Because back in the days when the database people were structuring, in their mind, what they were doing was a search. And so we have all of this sort of legacy that's been carried along, but the new consumer doesn't necessarily show up from that legacy. When you look at the younger generations who've grown up on their phones and are familiar with apps and they swipe automatically. Now when you buy an Apple iPhone, for example, there is no user manual because you're going to learn half of it from your friend that goes, oh, do this, try that. Or the young ones will just figure it out because it's so intuitive. So the world has changed. And if you're a senior leader today and you've got an existing organization, you've got to recognize that the technology is only there to create a better customer experience, not to implement better technology. Thanks for watching this video. Your dedication to serving better and caring more makes the world a better place for everyone. For more uplifting ideas, practical insights, and free resources, please subscribe now.